So technically, I left YouTube for like 2 months because I had a mental breakdown. And now I am back because I'm bored and yeah, quarantine is boring, I know. So might as well do a makeup tutorial. So keep up with me. Okay, so this is my lovely voice, and today I just wanted to ask you guys, what grade are you in? How is it school for you? So I'm going to be talking about my experience so far. This is a video like all over the place because this is not even a tutorial. Because it's like I just want to talk. I just want you guys to get to know me a little bit more, and yeah. So what can I tell you? Well, technically, I go to a bilingual school. My first language is not English at all. It's actually Spanish. And yeah, how is it? I don't know how to tell you, but it's very interesting because you get to see like both languages and develop them like equally, not one more than the other. And hopefully like in the future you guys would see me like doing videos in Spanish as well, because that's what I speak every single day of my life, which I like actually. But you know, I'm just giving myself a dare and doing videos in English as well. So okay, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me in general, because why not? So when I was a little girl, I was very like how can I explain it? Like, I like touching things. Yes, my mom told me like, oh, you used to be pone mano, which that means like, oh, you touch too much, and I forget. I have bad memory. Yeah, I have short-term memory, so I forget where I put the things that I get to touch, and I will get in trouble for it. Yeah, I was very energetic when I was a kid, but now it's just like I was so chill. It's like, oh my god, what happened to me, bro? So yeah, when I was growing up, I was actually very social. It's even crazy to think about it. I was very social. I had like many friends, like from first grade to like fourth grade, because that's like the good era. But once you enter middle school, oh my god, those bitches. I'm sorry for the word, but they're bitches. I'm just saying it. I'm just saying it. Yeah, everything changes. You feel more insecure about your body, yourself in general. Like, people care too much in middle school. It's insane. So basically, in middle school, I was totally the opposite. I changed like 360 degrees. I became such a shy person. Like, I wouldn't talk that much in class, only to like my small group of friends, and it's always been like that actually. And yeah, I was very like introverted, and then I entered high school, and oh my god, I kind of changed, but not really. I'm still like, I'm both, you know, like I'm both. I don't know how to explain it. It's not that I'm shy. I'm not shy. I just feel like more introverted. I like staying at home. I don't like going out. I personally don't like going out. Yeah, I'm very social. Like, I'm a easy talker, like, if that's even a word. But yeah, that's technically me right now. I've changed so much. It's like I don't even know myself. Yeah, like, compared to before, I'm a totally like different person. I'm more calmer. I'm more chill, more mature, obviously. And now I am kind of stressing out because I am on my last year of school finally. Yeah, I just want to go to college. I know this is weird, but yeah, that was some tea in there. I just want to get over it. And this is the end of this video. Wow, interesting. So here are pics of how it looks, the makeup look at the end, and see you guys in the next video.